In a moment that has gripped social media with both mockery and disbelief, controversial businessman Wikiro Chivayo found himself struggling to exit a military helicopter with none other than President Emerson Mnangagwa visibly waiting behind him. Sarabina mashoko kubuda panguva ino vanhu vachicriticize vachiti Chivayos helicopter exit turns into viral comedy as Mnangagwa waits behind. Remember, subscribe or like button on the bell. But even now, in a single flight, Chivayo gained weight eating abroad. Mnangagwa's helicopter and failed to force body out through the door. The scene unfolded at a rally in Shavana on Sunday, where the president was celebrating his birthday with the party supporters. But as the presidential helicopter touched down and its door swung open, it was Chivayo, not Mnangagwa, who emerged first. Footage shows Chivayo awkwardly wedged in the doorway, breathing heavily, visibly trying to maneuver his body through the narrow aircraft exit. The spectacle delayed the president's own descent, with Mnangagwa caught standing behind, his face frozen in an expression somewhere between confusion and quiet fear. The moment sparked a wave of online satire. A headline quickly circulated stating, "In a single flight, Chivayo gained weight, eating aboard Mnangagwa's helicopter, and he failed to force board out through the door." It comes as now the same man was holding up the nation's president at the door of a state helicopter. For many Zimbabweans, the image of Chivayo struggling to exit a helicopter while the president waits behind him is not just comedy, it's a mirror of political system choked by corruption, cronyism, and excess. No official comment has been issued from Chivayo, the president's office, or the Air Force of Zimbabwe. Ndomashoko aripo panguva ino macritics achicriticize this move yokuti Chivayo aiwa anotungamira mutungamiri wenyika kuexita the chopper. Tudze mafunguro enyu kuti pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Chivayo achitadza kubuda padoo aiwa nokuda kumuviri wake kunganzi kusimba. Pindai musection yedu kuti mafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.